Today I thought we'd have a look at doing a single crochet foundation row without having to do a chain. So what you will want to do is to get a slip knot on. So I'm just using a double knit and a 4mm hook for this, but as it's single crochet and we're doing a foundation row, it just depends on your pattern as to which way you want to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to chain 2 first of all, and this chain 2 is going to count as your first stitch, although when we make the stitch it's not easy to tell, but remember that is there when we come back, and you'll see what I mean as we go through. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go through, so we're going to go through the stitch but also through the back bump, so we've got 2 pieces of that chain together, and we're going to draw a piece. Going to draw the yarn through, so we've got 2 loops, then you're going to draw the yarn through the first loop, and then you're going to draw it through and through both, and that is your first actual single crochet. So let's do that again. So this time you're going to go through the bottom of the stitch, and again you're going to go through both loops of the bottom of the stitch. Okay. Draw the yarn through, and draw the yarn through and through one loop, and yarn through and through both loops. Okay, let's do that again. So you're going through the bottom of the stitch, yeah, we're drawing the yarn through, we're drawing it through and through one loop, drawing it through both loops, and then again the bottom of the stitch, bring the yarn through, yarn over through one, yarn over through 2, through the bottom of the stitch. I haven't got that right. Bottom of the stitch, draw the yarn through, yarn over through one, yarn over through 2, and then what you see doing is you're now building up a single crochet row all the way along, and you just keep on doing that for as many as you need.